to protect the environment and preserve it for future generations.
When you talk about protecting the environment, it is only with this issue, or you are talking about wholesome issues.
Wholesome. You can't just take one drop of it.
Then how the government is trying to tackle garbage also? You talk about garbage, you talk about even fields and all. Last time, everybody is trying to say field, destruction, all those things.
We're proud. Today we have one of the best garbage collection plants in Taliban. We have another beautiful plant that has come up with Chapar. So the government is in the process of setting up plants, which will, to a very, very large extent, solve our garbage issue. But as I said in the past, I repeat again today, these issues have to be taken up by all of us. I think come inside.
Sir, going
One second. And when I say all of us,
yes.
I mean government, people, together. We have to work hand in hand and work to achieve that goal. Just the government cannot do that.
CM also spoke today about the effluent and all, in the water and all. How serious your department would be?
Yeah, because
when you talk about
he's our leader. When he speaks about it, we have to follow whatever direction he gives. We have to implement, and we will implement.
कालच्या लोकांनी इश्यूचे मातशें अपडेट घेतले तुमी हांवें मिटिंगेक हाडले कालच्या लोकांनी तुमी मिटींग आपयलेली ते कितें म्हणटा शेतांतल्यान तो रस्तो नाका बिकॉज ते इट वील डॅमेज द क्रॉप शेतां ऑलरेडी रोयलेलीं आसा दे से यू आर ट्रायंग टू फायंड अ सोल्युशन
No. Let me clarify. As I said in the past, I personally believe that a bridge has to come. Okay. Now, which side should the bridge come? Through your property, through his property, or through my property? This is the issue. Now, as far as I heard whatever was said yesterday, first thing I would like to clarify, it was said that 4 lakh square meters are going to be acquired. My information, it is 1.2 lakh square meters that are going to be acquired. It is 12 hectares, not more than that. Second is what, as far as the bridge is concerned, the bridge, whichever side you take, it is going to go through some Kazan land. Whichever side you take, they may be harping about one particular side, but I am telling you, I have sat with the engineers, I have studied the thing. I have to admit I am not an engineer, so I definitely depend on a lot of the details given by them. But the fact remains, whichever alignment one tries to take, Kazan land is good.
So, but I appreciate what
As far as yesterday's meeting is concerned, we have sat, we have discussed. They had some other suggestions. I've asked the engineers to visit the site. They are supposed to be going today. They will conduct their study and they'll get back. But ultimately, it is a technical decision which has to be taken by engineers.
Sir,
As far as land acquisition is concerned, the government will be acquiring land. The government proposes to acquire sufficient land to ensure that the road to construct that bridge is within the acquired land.
but then the road would be once it is constructed the bridge, my road what time
No, once the government has acquired the land, that is government property.
because people are confused with
No,
that.
people are not confused. People are being misinformed.
By whom?
By vested interest. It's like yesterday, your channel has brought 4 lakh square meter.
Kenin Sangala.
Agreed, no. So I am telling you it is not 4, it is 1.2. So I believe that they should sit, they should study the proposal and then go forward and tell the people what is what.
Sorry, what?
I am willing to accept that Kazan land is a delicate ecosystem. I am willing to accept. But wherever you go to build a bridge, there is bound to be some type of that land. And the people have agreed that a bridge is required. I am also reiterating my earlier stand That it is my endeavor to try and ensure that no house goes.
पूण तिका एकूय घर ना म्हणटा ते ना घर खंयचे वयताले ते म्हणटा सगळे दॅट इज ऑल खजान लॅट काल तेणीन सांगलां नाल्यार मातशें हांवें चॅनलान दाखयलां
See. I heard you. There were 7 proposals. There were 7 alignments. In those 7 alignments, there were areas where houses were going. There were areas where houses are going. And even then, I'm still repeating, in all those 7 proposals, Kazan land was going. In all the 7 proposals.
So one more thing I would like to know, when you talk about all these things, like call meeting, we still the process is going on. Then पहिले police and demarcation and official कोण गेले? When तेंका काय information ना तुम्ही सगळे clear
No.
ना.
Don't blame me.
I'm not blaming the department, I'm just asking you.
That is being done by the revenue department, which is supposed to acquire the land.
But one side you are talking to those people, now you are
One
holding
side
meetings.
we are having meeting. Basically, I want them to feel that they are also being heard.
So,
I think we have gotten damage.
Sir.
so is it fair enough, sir?
Sir, one more
So is it fair enough that one side you are trying to convince people, take a side the officials so
I'm not trying to convince. I am basically trying to explain to them the plus and minus points of whichever alignment we are trying to take.
So what is the assurance given now today?
I am giving you no assurance.
Now,
And my only assurance is, number 1, a bridge is required. My second assurance is, it is my endeavor to ensure that no house goes.
house वो Kazan land.
Huh?
House.
No house goes.
Okay.
As far as Kazan land is concerned, I have said and I am repeating. Whichever alignment you take, some Kazan land is going.
सर आज इन्स्पेक्शन आले न्हू डोंगरीचे थंय कितें कितें अपडेट आसा सर
No, I have no.
ओके सर वन मोर थिंग इज वेर्ना जो गार्बेज प्लांट येता ताका लोकल सर खूब अपोज करता एज अ लोकल MLA पोल्युशन मिनिस्टर
But I am very surprised that this garbage plan proposal has not come up now. This garbage plan proposal has come up way back when I was not an MLA. And everybody was silent. That project has progressed. Everybody was silent. Now suddenly people are trying to get up.
ओके
One more thing. What do you have to say about the liquor policy?
What liquor policy? I like to drink. I'm from the liquor industry. What do you
that's
want to know about the liquor
In the last
policy?
few days, whatever has been going on in the talk,
See,
discussion,
I basically believe the intentions of our honorable chief minister are good. I believe that to discourage liquor units, let me clear. When I say units, I mean bars coming up within the vicinity, be it of schools, be it of colleges, be it of churches, temples, etc. It's a good thing he has done. He has doubled the license fees. He has increased the license fee to discourage people from trying to open up places there. The fact remains that throughout, even before this, licenses were being issued by all governments, cutting across parties. Licenses were being issued, have been issued. And it is basically we who go to the Chief Minister and say, please sanction this bar license. To discourage that is double the fee.
it's just discourage of all those whoever are ready to pay that huge amount also. Then that is okay.
Otherwise, have we not been issuing licenses? No, you want that. You answer.
No, I'm just
So
asking.
I am also
Is this fair enough?
I am also asking you whether the liquor licenses, bar licenses were not being issued prior to this decision of the.
I'm not from the liquor industry.
You may not be, but you are a man of.
is it fair enough?
Are you not aware?
I'm aware. Is it not fair? Is it fair? Come down.
What
As a minister, you say,
what is not fair? I am asking you.
coming too close to a school or something.
Our license is not being issued. He is trying to discourage it by increasing the fees to discourage you from coming there.
So you mean to say it is a negative sign for those who...
I believe it is a message to you, don't open. Because licenses